Artificial intelligence is evolving at lightning speed, and Google just took it to a whole new level. Their latest AI breakthrough is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. From transforming search to reshaping businesses, education, and daily life, this AI is rewriting the rules of technology as we know it. So, what exactly is this new AI and how is it changing everything? Let's break it down. Google's latest AI is designed to be smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. Unlike older AI models, which focused on answering questions, this AI is capable of thinking, reasoning, and even predicting what users need before they ask. It's an advanced version of Google's Gemini AI, integrating deep neural networks, multimodal capabilities, and real-time learning. This means more human-like conversations, an understanding of images, videos, and even emotions, as well as personalized recommendations that adapt to user habits. But here's where it gets even more revolutionary. Google is integrating this AI into everything. Search will never be the same again. The days of typing in keywords and sorting through links are over. With this new AI, Google Search is becoming conversational. Instead of just getting a list of websites, users receive fully explained answers, summaries, and personalized insights. People can ask complex questions and get direct, human-like responses. There's no need to click through multiple sources. The AI gathers and synthesizes information instantly. For businesses and content creators, this is a major shift. SEO strategies will need to change as AI-driven search results prioritize immediate answers over website rankings. If a business relies on Google traffic, adapting to this new AI-powered search experience is crucial. Google's AI is also being built into devices and apps, making assistants more powerful than ever. Instead of switching between different apps for tasks like booking flights, making reservations, or scheduling meetings, Google's AI will handle everything seamlessly. It will manage schedules, respond to emails, write reports, and even translate languages in real time. Jobs and businesses are also on the verge of a massive transformation. Google's AI can write marketing campaigns, draft legal documents, and even code entire websites. Customer service roles will see a shift as hyper-realistic AI chatbots take over support functions. Business analytics will become more accurate, predicting trends and behaviors better than any human team. Some jobs will disappear, but new opportunities will emerge for those who learn how to leverage AI rather than compete against it. The key is understanding how to work alongside AI, using it as a tool to enhance productivity and decision-making. What makes this AI even more groundbreaking is its ability to engage on a human level. Thanks to neural processing advancements, it can read facial expressions and tones of voice, understand emotions, and respond accordingly. This level of interaction makes AI feel more human than ever before. For example, if someone sounds stressed while speaking to their AI assistant, it might suggest a calming playlist, adjust the room lighting, and even schedule a short break, all without being explicitly told to do so. This is AI that anticipates human needs, creating a personalized experience unlike anything before. The AI revolution has only just begun. Google's advancements mark a shift in how people interact with technology, how businesses operate, and how information is accessed. Search is becoming fully AI-powered. Digital assistants are replacing traditional apps, and entire industries are evolving to integrate AI-driven decision-making. The world as we know it is changing fast. Those who embrace AI and learn to work with it will have a significant advantage. The question is, are you ready for this new era of AI?